Welcome to doassignment.ca. Here's the problem. A cell phone plan charges a $15 monthly fee plus 8 cents per minute of talk time. Write a function c of m that gives the total monthly cost in dollars for m minutes of talk time. Then find c of 200 and c of 500 and interpret what these values mean in context. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The monthly bill has two parts: a fixed fee of $15 that never changes, and a variable charge of 8 cents per minute. The total cost is the sum of these two parts, and because the variable part grows steadily with the number of minutes, the relationship is linear. Plugging in the given values, the function is c of m equals 0.08 times m plus 15. The slope, 0.08, tells us the cost increases by 8 cents for every extra minute. The y-intercept 15 is the base fee charged even if you use 0 minutes. To find the cost for 200 minutes, substitute 200 for m. 0.08 times 200 equals 16, and 16 plus 15 equals 31. So the total monthly cost for 200 minutes of talk time is $31. Now substitute 500 for m. 0.08 times 500 equals 40, and 40 plus 15 equals 55. So the total monthly cost for 500 minutes of talk time is $55. The graph is a straight line starting at the y-intercept of $15 and rising steadily. The 2 points we calculated, 200 minutes for $31 and 500 minutes for $55, both sit right on the line, confirming our answers. In context, if you talk for 200 minutes in a month, your bill is $31. If you talk for 500 minutes, your bill is $55. The difference of 300 extra minutes adds exactly $24 to the bill, which is 300 times 8 cents, perfectly consistent with the slope of the function. To summarize, the function c of m equals 0.08m plus 15 is linear. Its slope of 0.08 is the per-minute rate, and its y-intercept of 15 is the flat monthly fee. Evaluating the function gives a cost of $31 for 200 minutes and $55 for 500 minutes. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.